Whitefield a good place to buy a flat in Bangalore? We're gonna discuss that in this video. Hello everyone, this is Devanshi Jaswal and you're watching Address of Choice channel. Today, we are going to take a closer look at Whitefield area in Bangalore and evaluate whether it's a wise choice for purchasing a flat here or not. Whitefield has gained a lot of attention in the recent years, and we'll dive into the pros and cons to help you make an informed decision. Whitefield is a rapidly developing suburb located in the eastern part of Bangalore. It was once a sleepy residential area, but it has transformed into a thriving IT and commercial hub. Major tech giants like Intel, TCS and IBM have set up their offices here, making Whitefield a significant employment center. Pros of buying a flat in Whitefield. Connectivity and infrastructure. Whitefield enjoys excellent connectivity with other parts of Bangalore. The outer ring road is 9 km away and takes around 20 minutes to reach there. The airport is 39 km away, which takes about an hour on a usual day, though it depends on the traffic. Whitefield has a railway station which is about 6.7 km and takes about 15 minutes to reach. Additionally, the upcoming Namma Metro is going to further enhance the connectivity. Upon the completion of this purple line, the metro will connect Whitefield from the east to Kengeri in the west. Whitefield boasts a well-developed social infrastructure with many malls like In-Orbit Mall, the Forum Neighborhood Mall and Ascendas Park Square Mall. It has prominent colleges such as Gopalan College of Engineering and Management and MVJ College of Engineering, as well as major hospitals like Columbia Asia Hospital, Narayana Multi-Speciality Hospital and Sri Satya Sai Super Speciality Hospital. Whitefield is a part of IT corridor along the outer ring road. Major technology parks in and around the locality includes International Tech Park, EPIP Zone, GR Tech Park and Sigma Tech Park, making it an attractive location for tech professionals. With the influx of IT companies and increasing demand for housing, property prices in Whitefield have seen a steady appreciation. Investing in a flat here could potentially yield good returns in the long run. One of the major drawbacks of Whitefield is the traffic congestion, especially during the peak hours. The rapid development and the metro construction has put a strain on the existing infrastructure, leading to long commute times. Pollution levels. Due to high density of commercial establishments and vehicular traffic, air pollution levels can be a major concern in Whitefield. Higher property prices. Owing to the high demand and limited availability of residential properties, flat prices in Whitefield tend to be on the higher side in comparison to the other parts in Bangalore. And the price for a multi-story apartment over here has witnessed an increase of 7.30% in the last quarter only. So in conclusion, Whitefield offers a unique blend of residential and commercial opportunities, making it an excellent option for people who are looking to invest in real estate. With its well-developed social infrastructure, prominent colleges, hospitals, malls and tech parks, Whitefield caters to various needs. However, factors such as traffic congestion, pollution levels and higher property prices should be carefully considered. As usual, we recommend consulting a real estate expert. So if you have any query regarding the real estate market of Bangalore, or if you are interested in any particular property in Bangalore, you can connect us, since we have been working in the market for over 10 years now. That was all for today's video. I hope you found it helpful, and if you did, then hit the like button. And also subscribe to our channel for more such real estate insights. I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.